The Second World War was a terrible conflict. This war was very big. It was from 1939 to 1945. The USA and the Soviet Union had a friendly relationship during the war. They were allies in the war. But after the war, they were not friends. They weren't friends. They were rivals. This was called the Cold War. Okay, that's all for today. Remember to do your homework.
This was a very interesting class.
Yes, I like it too.
I need to go to basketball practice now.
See you later, babe.
Let's go, girls.
In a minute. We need to talk with teacher Tracy first.
Okay. See you there.
So, how is the preparation for Sylvia's surprise birthday party?
Great, we already decided a lot of details.
Yes, and I made a reservation at the Sunset Park rooftop.
Sunset Park. Sunset Park Rooftop Restaurant.
Nice. It's a beautiful restaurant. Was your first kiss there?
O primeiro beijo de vocês foi lá?
Was your first kiss there?
No, it wasn't. Our first kiss was near Brooklyn Bridge. It was 3 years ago. It was the best day of my life.
Oh, that's so nice. But how about the Sunset Park rooftop?
Our first dating anniversary was there. Nosso primeiro aniversário de namoro foi lá. Our first dating anniversary was there.
Anniversaries.
Comemoram eventos como aniversário de namoro, aniversário de casamento e aniversário de uma cidade. Por exemplo,
Birthdays.
comemoram o dia que uma pessoa nasceu.
Our first dating anniversary was there.
Were you two alone?
Yes, we were. Her family and friends weren't there that day. It was a romantic day.
What about this year? Did you celebrate your dating anniversary?
Yes, we did. We celebrated our third date anniversary last week.
Where was the celebration?
It was on a cruise ship on the East River. The view and Sylvia were beautiful.
Sorry to interrupt, but we need to talk about her birthday. We need to go to basketball practice or Sylvia will suspect.
Okay, so we're gonna have the party with all her friends and family members, including her cousin from Florida. I need your help to invite all the people, to make the cake, and
1 week later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sylvia. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks everyone. It's so nice to see you all here. You really surprised me. I didn't suspect at all. And Nicholas, my love, you are amazing. And you were amazing preparing for this party. For my friends from school, I can't believe we are already in the last year of high school. These 4 years studying together were amazing. And cousin, it's great to see you. I can't believe you came all the way from Miami only to see me. Of course I came. I missed you. My life in Miami was very different. My family and I were in Miami 4 years ago. My father was an accountant there. I was in junior high school there. The school was good, but I didn't have a lot of friends. I was not talkative like today. I was shy and quiet. My cousin was my only friend, but she studied in a different school. Then my father got a promotion and we moved here to New York City. We weren't very sure about moving at first. We were very insecure, but it was a good opportunity for my father, so we came. On the first day of school, I was nervous. I wasn't calm, but I met you, my dear classmates, and you were very kind and friendly. We had a lot of fun together. Oh, these 4 years were great. I had only one problem. My stupid ex-boyfriend, John. He wasn't a good boyfriend. He was not even my boyfriend officially. Wait a minute. Is that John over there?
Yes, that is John.
And who's that girl?
I don't know.
Oh no. John is kissing that bitch? She is and he's Hi, John.
Hi, Sylvia. This isn't what you are thinking. She's a friend.
Oh, I see. You kiss and make out with all your friends then.
Well,
Who is she?
she is Sylvia, my classmate. She is a friend too. She's only a friend.
I don't believe you.
So, do you make out with this girl and how many? 2 girls? 3 girls? 10 girls?
Well, that's not important. Come on, girls. We are not dating officially. We are only going out. So, what's the problem?
You. You are the problem, asshole.
Yes, he is the problem. By John.
Bye. I never want to see you again. He dated 4 different girls at the same time. He was a horrible person. But then, one day, I walked with Nicholas by the East River. And fell in love with him. My life is great now. Thank you all.
In a garden so still, where the moon's light spills